Welcome to another Televox tutorial video about our web solutions powered by iAPPS. In our previous video about Content Manager, we reviewed the basics of web publishing. In this video, we're going to build on that and look at the easy-to-use search engine optimization tools available in iAPPS. All Televox websites are launched with great content and are optimized for search engines. However, that's just the beginning. With the easy-to-use web publishing tools of the iAPPS Content Manager, you can always create fresh, new content that is optimized for search engines. In this video, we're going to look at the automated tools pre-built in iAPPS. How to add content to your website. How to add images to your website. How to add videos to your website. How to add search-friendly things like metadata and H1 tags. And finally, how to add your social media links to your website. With that, let's go ahead and get started. iAPPS has SEO in its DNA. It creates things like search engine friendly URLs, and it produces an automatic sitemap for search engines. Now, let's log in and talk about what you can do to better enhance your SEO of your website. Fresh new content is really the #1 thing that you can do to better your search engine rankings. And iAPPS makes it very easy to continue to enhance and update your content. To do so, I'm going to jump to my site editor. When it comes to search engine rankings, content is king. Always remember to update the content of your website and keep it fresh. Great, there's our new content. Next, we could always add images to our website by clicking on this Insert Image from Library button and inserting an image that we've uploaded from our PC or from the shared Televox library. Once we have an image on our web page, we can right-click on the image and navigate to the properties. From here, we can update the alt text of the image. The alt text is what a search engine such as Google will read when trying to view what this image is about. So making sure that you have an alt text that properly describes what the image is about is very important for SEO. Once we have content, images, and alt tags on our page, we'd be ready to publish out the content. Before we do that, let's also talk about videos. I'm going to scroll down on our homepage here, and I'm going to create a video on my homepage by clicking Create Content Definition. From here, I'm going to navigate and choose YouTube Video. The benefit of videos is really large in search engines because search engines look and favor websites with videos. The reason is because search engines want to display websites that are engaging, and video is proven to be more engaging than just content. As well, because YouTube is the second largest search engine, meaning people use it to search for things, you're expanding your reach and visibility online. So over here we'll enter our video ID. The video ID is the very last part of our URL. Anytime we're creating new content, we'll save it into our content library. Click Select Directory. And now we'll have a video on our homepage. Next, let's talk about editing things like our metadata and H1 tags. To do that, on any one of the pages you're on your website, navigate up to Page Actions and View Edit Properties. From here, we can manage things like the title tag, which is what appears in tabs in Firefox, Chrome, and Internet Explorer. We can manage the H1 tag, which is often the actual title on our page. We can manage our URL-friendly name, which is what appears in our URL bar. We could also manage things like the keywords and descriptive metadata. The descriptive metadata is arguably the most important, as it's the short description found on Google that is meant to entice users to click on your web page. Once you've updated your SEO properties, go ahead and click Save. We could also add links to social media. And social media links are very positive signals to search engines and are very much going to help your rankings. To add a social media link to your website, such as this timeline we see here, simply click Create Content Definition. And this time, we're going to choose our content type as either a Twitter timeline or, for this example, a Facebook timeline. Put in your Facebook username and click Save. That'll create the timeline on our homepage. Of course, we'll save the content into our content library and click Select Directory. There we go. There's other ways that we could add social media links to our website, such as in our footer, the Connect with Us links. First, I'm going to publish the page. After all, I made a lot of changes to this page, right? I added a Facebook timeline, a YouTube video, images with alt tags, and new content. So let's hover over Workflow and select Publish Now. Great. By clicking Publish Now, I've now made my changes live instantaneously to the public. To go ahead and add new links within the Connect with Us, I'm going to navigate over back to my Content Manager dashboard. From here, let's head to My Account. As we scroll down on the page, we're going to see our social media URLs. This is where you should enter all the different social media URLs that you're using to market so that they'll appear throughout all the pages of your website. So with that, we invite you to start managing your website and online presence today by going to www.televox.com/iapps/support. If you still need to sign up for your Televox website powered by iAPPS, please go to www.televox.com/iapps/site survey.